Welcome to the Erica J channel. Today I will be showing a video demonstrating me reinstalling the handmade wig of the video that I originally posted a few weeks ago. The wigs that I make can be used with glue or glueless. In this particular video, I will be showing me applying it with glue. However, I'm going to explain the difference when you're going to do it glueless. So as you can see right now, it's pretty blended in with my skin because I've already worn this wig. I already did the makeup. I already had that on there. I'm just reinstalling it. If you were going to do a glueless install, the same way that you would lay the glue, you would use Got2b glue gel, or you could use the Got2b glue spray, and that'll be it. That's the only difference. This wig is made with my raw virgin curly extensions. You can purchase this at www.hairbyericaj.com. I always use Bold Hold. This is the best glue in my opinion. It doesn't take long to dry. It's waterproof, sweat-proof. It's just amazing overall. Once the glue dries, you're just going to bring the lace up to the glue and lightly press it in. Wherever you laid the glue at is where the lace should be. There's different ways that I lay my baby hairs. I use either mousse, Got2b gel, or the Got2b spray. In this case, I'm going to be showing you guys the method with the mousse. I think it's pretty easy because the hair is curly. So I'm literally just going with the flow. You never want to try to force the baby hairs, because then once you start forcing it and smashing them in, you're going to end up lifting the lace up. It's going to take you a few times to actually be happy with your results of your baby hairs. and that's completely fine. But like I said, you don't want to sit there and smush the baby hairs in, try to force them to go in a certain direction, because all you're going to do is end up lifting the lace in. You just want to lightly smooth the baby hairs into the lace and into the rest of the hair. You're always going to use a small tooth comb when you're doing your baby hairs. A wide tooth comb is not going to give you these same results. Some people like using a toothbrush, but I wasn't happy with those results. So I just use very, very fine tooth combs. Head wraps can be purchased on my website at hairbyericaj.com. I use them when I'm going to sleep, when I'm taking a shower, when I'm taking a nap, if I'm going to go work out, if I'm walking to the mailbox. I always make sure my lace is secured. This is my raw virgin curly hair in its natural state. I haven't added anything to it yet, but it just really looks good, and I like the way it looks when it's wild like this. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and subscribe.